In a significant move days after the terror attack in Pahalgam, the Jammu and Kashmir government has closed 48 out of the 87 tourist destinations in Kashmir, according to sources, citing security reasons. Meanwhile, 39 tourist spots remain open with increased security measures in place to ensure the safety of visitors. The closures affect several well-known sites, including Yozmark, Dodapatri, Arbal and the Bangus Valley, as well as eco-tourism locations like Eco Park Kadniyar and resorts such as the Patchapal and Cherry Tree Resort. Now, these closures for now are temporary. But remember, it was yesterday that Chief Minister Omar Abdullah, during the special session convened in J&K Assembly, said that though the responsibility of law and order doesn't lie with the elected government of J&K, as a Chief Minister, he holds himself responsible and has no words to apologize. He also emphasized that he wouldn't use the death of the 26 tourists to play politics or demand statehood.
I'm reporting from that particular place. Just meters away is the Doodh Patri. I'm joined by a few of the tourists. Ma'am, कहाँ से आप और क्या कहा जा रहा है इस वक्त?
हम लोग आए हैं कलकत्ता से और यहाँ पर आने के बाद हम लोग को बोला जा रहा है कि इसके आगे हम लोग को जाने नहीं देंगे।
क्या पता थी आपको कि सरकार की तरफ से दूध पत्री को बंद कर दिया?
अभी तक तो पता नहीं थी, इसलिए तो इतने दूर आए ना जाने के लिए, पर यहाँ पर आगे पता चला कि आगे सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है, तो इसलिए जाने नहीं देंगे।
मैम, आपको क्या कहा गया है जब आप यहाँ पे पहुँचे, आगे जाने नहीं दे रहे हैं?
वही बोल रहे हैं कि सर्च ऑपरेशन चल रहा है हमारी सेफ्टी के लिए, क्योंकि हमको अगर कुछ हो गया तो वो क्या जवाब देंगे दूसरे को। वही।
तो कब आए हैं आप कश्मीर और कितने दिन का प्लान था आपका यहाँ आने का?
2 हफ्ते का प्लान है। हम लोग आए हैं 21 को, 22 को जब अटैक हुआ तब हम लोग जम्मू में थे। अभी 2 हफ्ते का प्लान था, अभी क्या होगा देखा जाए।
So these were the tourists who were saying that they were here, but they're not being allowed to, move towards this particular place as a precautionary measures, as communicated to them by the authorities and the police present over here. It's been a week of Pahalgam carnage, and the authorities have decided to close down 48 tourist destinations across the Kashmir as a precautionary measure. Out of 87 tourist destinations, 39 will be provided adequate security cover, and the security has been up there. We are reporting from the Doodh Patri area in the central Kashmir's Budgam. Though nobody is being allowed to move from this particular place, but remember that this is a part and parcel of the security measures that have been taken in from this spot. The Doodh Patri is lying on, and these are the ATVs that have been here. No tourist or any civilian movement, in fact, have been allowed towards this location. Pertinent to mention here is that after the Pahalgam carnage, there's a steep decline in the tourist arrival in the Kashmir Valley. Many of the tourist cancellations have been done. According to the tourism players, over 89% cancellations for the summer period have been done. Part and parcel of this job, many initiatives have been done from the security agencies, be it the continuous raids in the parts of the Kashmir Valley, raiding the house of terror suspects, or closing the places which has gained the prominency due to the security reason. The Doodh Patri, which is a meadow, likewise the Gulmarg, it has a beauty of meadows. That's what attracts more and more tourists towards this particular location. However, you can see the contingents of J&K police are deployed here. They're not allowing any tourists to flow towards this particular location. Now, pertinent to mention is that the intelligence have alerted that the militants could have carried out strike in the Kashmir nearby. That's why the security has already been heightened across the region in order to maintain the full-on security preparedness that have been ensured on the ground from Hook to Nook. Other 39 places which are prominent in the Kashmir Valley has witnessed the significant step up of the security measures in order to ensure the foolproof security cover for the tourists who are here or trying to come here for their tourist packages.